back to Holy Fire Defense. I know it's been a minute, but I ain't bought no guns in a while, so that's why I ain't done no videos. But I got me a new one now. I've been trying to get this gun for a minute. It's been like 3 years, because every time I tried to get it, it was sold out, sold out, sold out. So I finally got it. So today we're going to check it out. We're going to unbox it. Then after that, we're going to go out and shoot it. And that should be interesting, because this thing is a hand cannon. So let's take a look at it so you guys can see what I've been waiting on all this time. Also, if you're interested, if you go to my other channel, Holy Fire Defense Ministry, I do a Bible study on there live every Thursday night at 6:30 p.m. West Coast time. So if you want to, you can come check me out there. But now let's get into this gun. So here it is. Let's open this up. Wow, look at that. Isn't that tight? Look at that. So, no, I'll play. Move the stuff out the way. There it is. This is a Desert Eagle Magnum Research 44 Magnum. This gun don't look like much when you're looking at it like this, but this gun is huge. They say it only weighs about 5 pounds without any ammo in it, but it feels like it weighs 10 pounds. Knock this mag out. So this is it. It's nice, but this thing is heavy. Hold on. I had to set the camera down to cock this thing back. It's like trying to pull a door shut that got a stick in it still. It's hard to yank back. The slide is heavy. Yeah, this is a 44 Magnum Desert Eagle. So we're going to have to take this out and shoot it. This thing is so stiff. Wow. It's that hard. That's it right there. This is a bronze one. It was the only one they really had in stock. I wanted a chrome one, but pretty much wasn't going to get one of those. And then here, I got the hollow points for it. This thing don't want to focus. Yeah, these bullets, if you could see them, I don't know why it's blurry, but see how big those bullets are for the 44 Magnum? You're probably saying, well, why didn't you get the 50 caliber? That's what everybody says. Because I live in California. You can't have a 50 caliber. I heard you could switch the barrel out, but you can't buy one. So the biggest you're going to buy out here is a 44 Magnum. I don't know why I can't get this to focus. Hold on. Let's see if we put it down. There we go. There, now it's focused better. The bullet's almost as long as the handle on the gun. So we're going to have to take that out and shoot it. This thing is a monster, man. If you can can see the barrel. Yep, but this is the Magnum Research. Now, if you don't live in California, you can get the fancier ones with the rail on the top and looks all spiffy. But out here, this is what you're going to get. So let's go shoot this cannon and see what it do. I heard these things be jamming, but if it does, I got a gunsmith out here that'll polish it up real quick and get it rocking right. Because my Glock was doing the same thing, jamming up and stuff like that, because I put a different slide on it, took it to him. Now it's smooth as butter. Holy Fire Defense. Let's go shoot this 44 Desert Eagle. About to shoot this beast. Desert Eagle 44 Magnum. Just got it. Let's try it out. Alright, so far, this Desert Eagle keeps jamming. So this time, we're going to try to shoot it fast and see if it don't jam. Yep, that's the ticket. So it looks like if you're going to use one of these, you got to empty the whole magazine for it not to jam. Let's try it again. All right, here we go. Yep, that seems to work. I'm still going to take it to the gunsmith though, have him check it out, because you don't want to have to empty your whole magazine. But if you need more bullets, Holy Fire Defense, like and subscribe.